everyone can look good in pictures. You heard it right. Today you are about to learn how to look good in pictures by understanding why you look bad in pictures. Let's fix some of these mistakes and learn some tips to always look amazing in photos, in selfies, or in group pictures. Are you ready? Welcome to Blush with me. In today's times, when people see you more frequently on your social media pictures than face-to-face, showing your brighter side becomes a necessity. Yes, a lot of us avoid taking pictures completely because we feel that we just don't look good in pictures. With phone cameras all around us, you cannot escape being in pictures. Every face who is loved by the media, be it Priyanka Chopra to Kim Kardashian, they all look great in some pictures, but not so attractive in some. That just shows that everyone can look good or bad in photos. So why not learn how to look your best? Instead of just talking about it, I want to take you around to show you what I mean by good or bad lighting. As a thumb rule, when you face any sort of natural source of light, like window or light bouncing off of the ground, it will give you great and even lighting on your face. If you stand facing darkness, like facing away from the window, it is clearly not good lighting. Also, avoid standing right under the sunlight when you're taking pictures. This will cast very harsh shadows right under your eyes, your nose. Not attractive. Similarly, avoid flash in your phone cameras, especially for close-up pictures. I want you to take a look at some of these before and afters. So what is the solution? Avoid taking pictures in bad lights, with flash especially. Candlelight dinners in dim-lit restaurants may be romantic, but they make worst pictures. They're also very pixelated. So try to stay as still as possible and take pictures without flash. You can always edit, and there are multiple apps on your phone. I'm sure you have these. So edit these pictures to brighten them later. Also, try to stay as still as possible when you're taking pictures in these darker surroundings. Also, avoid any kind of unpredictable or unprepared shots, especially on others' phones, because you don't have control on those pictures, so you wouldn't know if they're good or bad, if they're editing or not editing. Your next tip is to understand your angles. I want to show you my pictures in multiple angles so you can understand, you can tell me which ones are good and which ones are not. Again, there was an old video of mine, do check it out because I have explained in details as to how you can find your perfect angles. But in short, keep your camera right in front of you, your phone camera, and try your 8 or 9 shots in different angles. Go clockwise or anti-clockwise and snap pictures in each angle. And a couple of these will definitely look better than the others, and you will know which angles really work for you. Take a look at some of my pictures and you will be able to tell which angles work for me. Now, another reason why sometimes you don't look very attractive in pictures is because of that nervous expressions. People get nervous in front of camera. When you become conscious, your expressions change. So this is what happens to a lot of people, a lot of my photography clients, this is what happens. Also, when you're unprepared, you don't look very attractive. When someone suddenly says, turn around, let's take a quick picture and say cheese. If you're still responding to say cheese, this is what you will get. Do you remember that video when I asked you to say money instead of saying cheese? I'll make sure that you see that video at the end of this video. Do watch it to refresh your memory. Take a look at both my faces when I say cheese versus when I say money. Cheese. Money. So for most of the unexpected moments, I suggest that you prepare 2 to 3 expressions that will work for any of these pictures. I know a lot of people who look mostly like this in unprepared shot. Why others? It has happened to me sometimes. And the expressions are mostly these. But now things are different. Now when someone says, hey, let's take a picture and snaps a shot within seconds, my this, or this face comes on. So the first one looks candid. The head is slightly back and it looks like I'm caught in a moment, but I'm not. I'm very well aware that there is a camera and I quickly do this. And the second one has a slightly subtle smile. Why do people smile so much in pictures? Overexcited smile never looks good. Smile, look happy, look comfortable, you don't have to overdo it. And then this is my no smile, but still kind of a warm face look. Now, makeup definitely helps, but with these tips, you will instantly notice a difference in the way you look in your pictures, like right now. If you don't believe me, pull out your phone and try taking some selfies. And let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'm Parmita, Chicago-based image coach, and I have helped a ton of women via one-on-one coaching sessions to enhance their image that impacts their impression at work, maybe their wedding, everyday styling, power posing, social media presence, and so much more. The information to reach me is down below this video. I'll also be launching my Image Empowerment online masterclass in the next couple of weeks. Once it is ready, it will be linked below this video. So there is a lot to check out right below this video where you see the description. Please check it out. Let me know if you have some other exciting ideas that you want to see on my YouTube channel and in the forthcoming weeks. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like your new selfies. Make sure you share this video with your friends who too want to look good in pictures. I will see you next week. Until then, I think I have given you enough reasons to blush with me.